selected my wife. And then and there I thank the good Lord for the gifts in my life. Okay, this is not a singing video, but sometimes I thank God for unanswered prayers. What this is, it's a first look video. Decided to do this. Here's what we've got. We have a 1971 Ford Campervan. Right there. Okay, the deal is on this thing is that it's a one family owner van. It's been sitting in a pole barn for 30 years. And I bought it out of South Dakota. And we're gonna look at it for the first time. I've not seen it yet. I've just seen, that's the closest I've been to it so far. And we're gonna look at it for the first time together and see what we got. That'll be fun, won't it? So, being in a pole barn for 30 years, I imagine it's probably in pretty good shape as far as rust goes and that kind of stuff. Zach has seen it. Zach has been in it already. He's gonna be the doorman. Zach, what do you think?
It's a van.
It's a van.
It's got 4 wheels.
It's got 4 wheels. It's an Econoline 200. Fiberglass top. The body is solid. Little bit of rust right there, a couple bubbles there, no big deal at all. Bumpers are straight. The paint is actually good on it, isn't it?
Yeah, it might buff out.
It'll buff out.
It'll buff out really good, actually, looking at it now.
Yep. Okay. There's your water fill right there. Fiberglass looks like it's in good shape. It's got windows. Okay, I'm looking here for the first time.
Holy cow.
Seats look like they're in good shape. Obviously it doesn't run. We're not even going to try that because, you know, 30 years it probably needs some new gas. There's a checkout on the back. Oh, that's cool. It's actually not bad, is it? Other than dust and dirt from sitting. Don't. Let's check out this side. That is probably the furnace. Oh, look at this. This is cool. Step comes out. Let's open this door. I'd imagine we're probably going to displace a few families of rodents at some point. A little bit of press board, old press board that is not in great shape down there, but it is all original. It's dirty. Dirty from sitting. There's evidence of mice. No surprise there. But it's all there. Let's look at, see what's here. Little refrigerator here. Little closet back there. This thing's going to be pretty cool. It's dirty.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Let's look in the back a minute as I bump my head getting out. A super van. You've heard of Superman. Mm-hmm. You've heard of Batman. Mm-hmm. Now we have Supervan.
This is Superman's ride.
Superman's ride. That was not my joke, by the way. That was Zach's. He thought about that. He thought of that all by himself.
Mm-hmm. Trying to think by myself.
Hey, look. There's a. Looks like there's a mice in here or something.
What?
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's cool. All right. I'm happy with it. Mm-hmm. It's better than I expected. Because when this thing came up for sale, it only had pictures of the outside. It didn't have any pictures of the inside, just a picture of the driver's seat. That's all I've really seen. The guy that I was buying it from, told me what all was in it, but it was his grandpa's van. Apparently, the building had been damaged in a storm recently, so it was sitting outside for the last few months, and that's the first time it'd see the light of day for 30 years. So, should be cool. What engine? V8 302 on the engine. That's Diane. Let's pull the engine cover back a second. Yep, 302 V8.
Yep.
So, do we figure how many miles it had? He said it was original 60,000 miles. So, it looks like 60,000 miles. Yeah. All right, cool. No air conditioning. Look at even mouse turds on top of the air filter.
Perfect.
We got some cleaning to do.
That comes free.
But yeah, we'll pretty much probably kind of gut this thing out. Obviously, all new fluids and battery and stuff, and see if it runs, and then go from there. So, pretty exciting. I think it's cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.